students, Jai Gurudev. Today we shall discuss about the process of square root finding by long division method or square root by long division method. In this method, if any number is given, just like 6, 8, 8, 9, so first of all, we make the pairs of the digits involved in this number starting from unit digit. This is unit digit, this is tenth digit, this is hundred digit, this is thousand digit. So starting from unit digit, that is 9, make a pair of the digits. So if we make the pair, so pair of digit is 8, 9. So make it and second pair is 6, 8. So here we have two pairs. First pair is starting from unit digit is 8, 9 and second pair is 6, 8. So these pairs are also called the periods. Now here we started the division process from the pair 6, 8. So 6, 8 is a period or pair. We have to think any number which square is either equal to 68 और लेस देन 68. ऐसा एक हमें डिजिट सोचना है जिसका स्क्वायर 68 से या तो कम है या 68 के बराबर है. Now we use the symbol of division process. So that digit is 8. 8 square of 8 is less than 68. So now we divide by 8. Since we divides by 8, then its quotient will also 8. We have to divide by number such number of times so that we have the value of divisor. So 68 is divided by 8 times, then 8 into 8 becomes 64. Now we subtract 64 from 68, so the remaining value is 4. After this process, we carry forward this next pair after this remaining value. Now next value will be 4, 8, 9. In next process of division, we write the double of the previous divisor, that is 16, double of previous divisor. Now next value is 489. Here we think any value which will be right in next place of quotient and this blank place of the divisor. These values will be same just like these previous values. So if we think any number, suppose that 1, so 1 will be written here, then this number will be 161. If here we have 1, then here will be 1. So 161 is multiplied to 1, then number will be 161, that is less than 489. When we write 2, then here will be written as 2, then here number will be 162. If 162 is multiplied with 2, then we have 324. Next thing number 3. If we write 3, then here will be 3. When 163 is multiplied to this 3, then number is exactly equal to 489. It means the required number will be 3, which can be placed in these blank places. So now subtracting this value, we have no remainder. Therefore 83 is the square root. So a square root of 6889 equal to 83. This is the process. That's why we can find out the square root of any number by division process. Next, if we find another, here there are two types of questions. First, where the number of digits are even. Second, the number of digits are odd. Suppose that 11881. Here we have odd number of digits. So similarly process will be used. First make this pair starting from unit place. Second is this, and third is single. So we make the pair of single digit. So this line of pair will be marked above the digit. Remember, I have marked on below this digit, but you will have to mark above. Now write here in first pair we have a single digit. So we think any number whose square is either less than 1 or equal to 1. Here we have only one number, that is 1. Then 1 is divisor, 1 will be quotient. So 1 multiplied by 1, then we get 1. So subtracting this, remainder is 0. Now next pair is 18. So now we write here 1 double of 1 is 2. Since double of 1 is 2, but we have to think the digit for the next place, blank place. Here this is 18, and if we write 1, then 21, and here we have 1, 21 1 ja 21, but here we have only 18 number. So the division is not possible. So here we have to write 0. Here will be 0. Now carry forward the next pair 1881. So now second place is 9, and here we have also 9. So 9 into 209, it will be 1881. There will be no remainder. Therefore we can write square root of 11881 equal to 209. Next is 12321. Same place we have, or any other number we can take. 65536. So when we divide this number, now make the pair. First pair for 3 6, second pair for 5, third pair 1. So think any number which square is less than or equal to 6. So that is 2. Square of 2 is less than 6. Square of 3 is more than 6. So we have to think square of 2. So divide by 2. 2 2 ja 4. Subtracting this, 2, carry forward next pair. Double of 2 is 4. Now we have to think any digit which can be filled here. So when we think 1, then 41 1 ja 41, very less. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is suitable. 5 is 225. So subtracting this, 30. Now here we have 5. Next value will also 5. 45 plus 5, 50. Now here next pair 36. So here this is 6. So when we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, This is exact value 6, and 506 into 6 is 3036. This is, therefore, square root of 65536 equal to 256. Now, when we think about the square root of decimal places, so same as we have, suppose that this is the number 1.2321. Here we have also the same process, but this number is changed because this is a decimal place. So in both sides of decimal we make the pair. In the process of decimal place, suppose that any number is given 36.35248. So we make the pair in both sides of decimal. In left side we have already a pair, this one. Suppose that we have any number 5, so this pair having the 2 digit and this is the separate pair. And in right side of decimal we started from the side of decimal, this pair, this pair, this is single digit. In case of decimal places we put a 0 at last and make this pair. This is the process in decimal. So in this number, here in both side of decimal, in left side we have a single digit and in right side we have 4 digits, so there are 2 pairs. So divide the digit which is before the decimal, the square root of any number which is less than 1 or equal to 1, 1 divided by 1, and remainder is 0. Now double of 1 is 2. This is written at the first step only, double of divisor. Now here next process is used for decimal, so put decimal here and carry forward this pair. Now we write any number 1, 2, 21. If we place 1, then we have 21, 21 1 21. This is correct. 21 1 21. Now we have the remaining value as 2. So where we have 1, we write also 1. 21 plus 1, 22. Next is next 21. Now we write also 1. Now again 21, 1 times 21. This is 0. So square root of 1.2321 equal to 1.11. This is the process of long division method for finding the square root of the numbers. So now we have to solve the questions given in exercise 2.3. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.